Hi, and welcome to the Substitute Training course for the Canvas LMS produced by the Canvas Tutorial Show. My name is Evan, and I'm going to be your facilitator throughout this training. The training is put together of a series of lessons with videos and quizzes and tutorials to teach you how you can quickly and easily use a teacher's course in their place. And what I mean by that is that just like when you substitute in a classroom, you come and fill their role. Well, that's not as easily transferred over to an online system like Canvas. And so there's really two parts to this training. The first part is for those that might step in to that role for a day or two, or maybe up to a week, short-term sub situations. The second part of the training is really for those that are going to be in a more long-term training situation. The analogy that I use is the idea of driving a car. You're not going to design the car or build the car, but you are going to drive someone else's car. And so the goal is really being able to drive it effectively from point A to point B and not to break anything. When you're in somebody else's course, they have their settings. And so we want to make sure that you have enough knowledge that you can navigate things in a way that so that when they return, it's been a good experience for everyone, that the students are served, you feel good about what you've done, and also the teacher feels good about what you've done. But in that long-term sub situation, that's where you have to take the car in and get the oil changed and put air in the tires. You have to actually create some content for students. You have to grade some things. And so really stepping more into that full-time teacher role, even if it is for a short period of time. And so that's what we'll be doing together throughout this training course. And I hope that you find this valuable and that throughout it, you will feel more confident in what you will do. Cheers.